Welcome everyone. This is Lisa from the Gingerbread Prints. Today I'm thrilled to show you something really special. Our Art Deco Fashion Runway Tribute Waterfall Folio, which is part of our new printable kit Art Deco Fashion Runway Tribute Journal Volume 1. As we open the exterior closure, be dazzled by the intricate Rococo-style frames that greet you upon opening the folio. Delight in 6 beautiful waterfall-style pockets adorned with luxurious Rococo floral designs, each holding a stunning image of a 1920s fashion model. Behind the 6-pocket waterfall, discover a special pocket with a separate card that further enhances the folio's allure. You'll notice the variety of elements we've included. From the stylish background panels to the diverse pocket designs, and from the intricate flaps to the chic exterior closures. Each piece was selected with passion from hundreds of images we created just for this folio. Each one features luxurious Rococo floral designs, and inside each pocket there's a stunning image of a 1920s fashion model. These images aren't just beautiful. They have floral tabs that showcase femininity and a love of fashion. These stunning bookmarks are addition to this collection. Both interior and exterior flaps are constructed with magnetic closure to ensure the shut yet neat looking of the folio. And after you've enjoyed all those eye-catching designs, let's flip this over. It's a pocket that holds a matching booklet featuring gorgeous Art Deco style illustrations. The pages are adorned with Art Deco style illustrations. Inside the booklet, you'll find a few small treasures tucked into the front and back covers. You can easily add more pages to this booklet, such as tea or coffee dyed paper, using the image as guide. These small folders can be cut and separated and to use individually to decorate your journal, or you can use them to make small booklets by adding some pages. The pockets are made with scrap pieces trimmed off from the main image pages. Just ink the edges and bring out the vintage look. And remember, never throw away your scrap pieces. They can be great for making pockets, belly bands, and journal decoration. If you're captivated by this design, find the purchase link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this flip through as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you love this design, check out the link in the video description below to grab one for yourself. And don't go anywhere just yet. I'll be posting a step-by-step tutorial soon on how to make this folio yourself. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Peace.